Good morning, Lunation fans. Figured I'd take this time this morning to kind of update everybody on what's been going on. And of course, I think everybody knows what's been going on with Hurricane Michael that's come through. If you haven't been following Facebook, just a little bit of an update and let you know, our Enterprise store is running fully operational. No damage, no concerns there. However, our Boniface store, although it is still standing, we didn't lose any windows or any major parts, we're still having some power issues. It seems everybody around us has power, but our 100-year-old building doesn't have power. So we were on the list to get that fixed. Meanwhile, we're going to have to leave Boniface closed while that is getting taken care of. Since we do not have power, we don't have internet. It's making us a little bit tough to operate down there right now. Good news is I want to thank you all so much for all the comments that you have sent. We had sent out a Facebook post, and I believe on Instagram as well, asking for help in Boniface. There was so many people. The entire town was it was torn up pretty good. A lot of people without power, a lot of people, our linemen are still down there, sleeping on cots, sleeping on floors, barely getting hot meals. So we put a request out asking everybody for some help. And you guys have come through, and people have been contacting us on what can they do down there, how, can they come down and move trees, what can they donate. And I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much. I realize we're in Alabama, but Boniface is still in our heart. All the people there are still within our heart, and it's been amazing. All of our employees are fine. We do have one staff member that's still a little bit stuck out in the woods without power, and they had to do a lot of tree removal so they could get unstuck. But he's doing fantastic now. We've got to hear from him a couple of times. And, we're just looking forward to when he can get power restored as well. Besides that, hang on, guys. We are Alabama strong. We are Boniface strong. We are Florida strong. Everything's coming together. Panama City lights are coming on in certain areas. It's just fantastic to see everybody, the outpouring that's come from every single state. I've heard there's been responders from New York City, New Jersey, Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee. I mean, how fantastic is that? Just absolutely fantastic to see everybody come together in our time of need up here. So with that, I just want to say we love you. Thank you. We'll have another update soon. Just as we had posted before, if people are needing anything out from the Boniface store, whether it be candles or puzzles or tea, something to help keep you busy, help keep some lights going on, please message us on Facebook or give our Enterprise store a call, and we will make arrangements to meet with you down there to get you what you need while, interim, while we're waiting on everything to come back together for us. Meanwhile, I hope you guys all have a blessed day. Take care. We love you. And thank you.